Throwback time. Where are we going to today, Deanna?
Buffalo Mountain Preserve?
I have no idea. Well guys, I think it's been a couple years since we've been here. Probably 2021. I don't think we went here last year.
Twice though.
Yeah, we've been here twice. But we are back here at Buffalo Mountain Natural Area Preserve. And doggies are allowed, so where'd she go? Luna's right there. So once again, we are going to take the slightly easier way on the way up and take the steeper way on the way down because it just makes sense. I do remember this trail being a little narrow in some spots with weeds overgrowing, so we'll see if the trail's been maintained since spring is back upon us. So the vegetation is also back upon us. It was a bit of a foggy morning this morning, but as you can see, pretty much all the clouds evaporated and we are good to go. We should have an excellent view at the top of this mountain. Our house is at a lower elevation. This is one of the highest elevations in, I think this is Floyd County. Luna, back off. I keep on kicking you in the face, dog. But as you can see, the leaves aren't nearly as thick around here yet since it's still popping up, so you got all these vast views off in the distance that you still really can't see on a GoPro. There you can kind of see off in the distance a bit. Slowly making our way up. We got like 3.5 or 4 inches of rain recently, so everything's a bit soggy. And we made it to our first switchback. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. Can't remember how many there were. I think there was like 3 or 4. In case you're curious on Luna's barfing update, she almost made it all the way here without any issues, but then maybe 10 minutes before we got here. So still gotta figure that out. Switchback numeral dos. Making progress, Luna. Switchback number 3. All right. Made it to the trail. Made it to the trail intersection of Barron's Loop and Ridge Trail, and we want to go. Where are we gonna go?
The other way.
There you go. Maybe
That way.
this way. Okay. Almost at the top. Check out that view. Not nearly as windy as I thought it'd be. We love getting up here and hiking this mountain. Nice, fairly short hike, yet the reward is amazing. A rock scrambler. You hear that cow? This is the first time we've been up here and basically had it to ourselves. Another couple hiking behind us, but besides that, only 2 cars in the parking lot besides ours today. Perfect day to go hike here. Usually this is easy, guys. All right, don't pull Deanna off, okay? So technically we can go down that way. I don't think we want to take Luna down that way. She could probably do it, but she might hurt herself. So we're just gonna swing around the other way to get over there real quick. Stay inside the path, Luna. Don't slip. She's queen of the world. She likes the rock scrambling, apparently. Just soaking in the view. Perfect day to go out for a hike. How do you like it versus the last time you were at Buffalo Mountain Nature Preserve area?
I don't remember the second time as much as the first time, but I remember it being a lot warmer, I think.
Well, first time we saw gypsies at Heart here, I believe.
That was summer, I'm pretty sure.
That was in 2020.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice cool day, so that's enjoyable.
Yeah, as you can see, she's not really panting too much.
Watching the birds.
Yep. As you probably have realized by now, we live near the Blue Ridge Parkway, since about every other video I do is on or around the Blue Ridge Parkway. So we are actually going to be swinging by Mabry Mill and taking Luna to the Mabry Mill. Show her that for the first time. Maybe socialize her a little bit with some people. Living out in the middle of the woods, she doesn't get to see a whole lot of people. So I can't remember how long the path was on the way up, probably maybe like 3/4 of a mile to a mile, and the way down on the shorter path is a half mile. So if you're super in shape and can run up the side of a mountain, maybe this is the path for you. All right, all you flower detectives, florist I guess is probably a better word.
Yes.
What? Botanist? What kind of flowers are these? They have a very sweet and strong smell, and Deanna is apparently allergic to them or something because she's sneezing. So I don't know how, but someone got a trailer up here and they managed to turn it around in a half full parking lot. It's pretty impressive.